Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, when the people had gone far away, leaving the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam behind, Hazrat Abu Talha clung to him like a shield. Hazrat Abu Talha was an expert shooter and the catgut of his bow was extremely tight. That day he broke 2 or 3 bows. When anyone passed by carrying a quiver, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, "Put the arrows before Abu Talha." Once when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head to inspect, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. Don't raise your head to inspect, lest any arrow of the infidels should strike you. My chest is in front of your chest. I am here to sacrifice myself for you." The transmitter says, I saw Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha, tucking their skirts clothes up and their anklets were visible to me. And they both were carrying water skins full of water on their backs and affording the water to the thirsty Muslims to drink. They remained busy going and fetching water. On that day, Abu Talha's sword fell off his hand twice or thrice. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3811.